Here I am on the edge of the roof, and what is that, some damn tree? That dizzies my eyes with its orange leaves as the tepid coffee trues the tongue as the cigarette smoke eases to breathe. So the aging soul begins to stare at a beauty softer than glowing moons. If she's slumbering now, not likely sheathe who's given warmth to her winter feet. Has she grown fat around her chin? Does her eye shines like a homely light? Is it midnight velvet or a starry night? I can't see with this sluggish slowness. I'm sure she's reading the 12th sonnet, but I'll never know. I'll never know. And scuttled Salaminia in Solomon Sea, where light and water never meet. Where a softly spoken serpent rules, does he breathe a flickering flame of jewels? Here comes the air, soft and steady. Will it reach the lungs before I'm ready? A wandering soul, I crossed the limits I always hovered before the minutes. She lived in it, that she took from me. My captive heart now travels free, but she'll never know. She'll never know.